Nsama wakwaba deba Coastal Television do omani mu nsama nsaka na bre aya machafa na medrebo somhumi ebusuafo Coastal Television do wedegeta 514 nti ekoba daye wo bia no yenye wo beche fefefe da maraso na yewo live Coastal yewo live oye YouTube nti so ekoba ebusua na bo modern ahye na ma ebusuafo so won saka bi ahye bi kama da mawia na adama no so abod bonbran nya bode pe no kire ma ebusuafo won saka waso enya no mochafa pepe da ma enye ba kundidi se ba kundidi da na no Coastal Television ewo bia nyo bache nzo waso enye ebusuafo no enye won nche every nsama obiti nsama anya saka no mu akotin bi onenye de fifi manto musuafo ma no very good asandi atugwa atu nanum enyim de nanum bo modern na won pre de wonye amanyekufo bobom ayakor na wahwe mpuntu ma aba mono mensi titarbo finfimanto na kanko damara so na abatene wo oya amandebol ne mu de empayfa wada sukula no de atugwa na mo watota se awofo de awofre biara wada yankopon adoma chaza odaman inti ma ba tebele nshana bade awo me pre be da tirinyi me pre be lawyer awo me pre be cheche boshan na bofo no za odoma kpo yankopon da hye no mon wambem de ma wo awofo ehwehwe ebusuafo yi na nsem bi a aka na bre metrebo somhumi from kitikeku asarba kofi esuma na yenje nsama ne mu ncheche mbre obeye ma finfi manto ba fane tampefra na sayeka manto a oman Ghana desia yewo ne mu mpuntu na kanko ba ne ma adishibada ebusua ohema ohia tema ame nonyo wo de yina ne eboboa na bataboa ayedwuma ma mpuntu mapa aye finfi manto mede eyenti finfi manto musuafo ma ne Justin na very good asan dudu na ofen central good oden sam atugwa atono nanom enyim de obese na nanom ara ahemfo ebre yebra ode yen na yepre asomje na yehwehwe de se yenya asomje a na manso sama oho yen na ne yemfri na mfengu nchan na yempe de mpuntuma baba yenemensin anada yenenkro ahrowa yetitim osi na nanom na se beauty edwuma papa bi reba ansana na nano babo shehu obenya asasa ansana obeyin medwuma enti obeya na nano de oda woboa na mpuntuma pa oba enemensin no
nana me mo ntimpa nana ye jina ha midina me wo fa na ne so ka ho oye transport minister na ye kan ye mbo me ka de ye kra do papa ye sinkete de ye nyina nano pessimist sessionko na ye kire ye nyi so de ye nuor besi dwuma ebi sida ye kwesi na nano ye ti dwuma biara ye besi wo central region ha enti ye nyina nano be ka bo na ye twanamon shonko ma central region afane tampefra bituma konenye na Ghana so aye nyi jesem kese o sande na nano ahona wada but from landlords of our various areas. Nti wayan ifira no yentum kwoti won yeti enjuma nti ye kire ye ni so de ya be kan ye ho abom na ye nyina na no gotu bisa na yanyu na bom so the local governance na ye si etina assemblies na ye cha RCC yeti dwuma na oyeye so na nanom won susui won cheche onana motu obo papa madumiza yesi nusu okodenyim today yenye nanom go to sa otedem yonyo be ka bo mo otedem na ye hye nanom bo so de onche kra se nanom ma ye na kwana ye baba obia na nado oye nanom wona do wo various paramounts yenyo abotu atwa adwen yenyo abesusu ho yɛbɛte wɔn nkyerɛkyerɛ ama dwumadzi a yɛdzi no wɔtum akɔtɔɔten ofi hɔ no so no nana yɛka dɛ central region yɛn president ka bibi dɛ we want to transform the region so pɛdɛ ɔtransform region a nana president yɛn president Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo ɔntumi ntena nka na ɔntransform region ɔnyɛ ne apamfo ɔnyɛ nananom ɔnyɛ afranko biara a wɔbɛtum aboa madam nsusui na nhyehyɛ abɛmu no de bɛtu dɛm anammɔn no nana sɛ aba regional coordinating council a yɛdze biribi sonko esi Enyuado yɛfrɛ biribi the regional strategic development plan or the strategy plan a yɛdze bɛdi dwuma sonko ɔyɛ abɛhwɛ dɛ sɛ abɛn bi ba na ɛyɛ su ha waayɛ kakra ɛyɛ su ha ɔko n'adwuma no so ɔkɔ a ebi ba na ɔnhyɛ da ntom ntua do ɔsan dɛ ɔnyame na mehyɛ ase na yɛn aso Ghana fo no aso yɛbɛtaataa yɛapɛ dɛ baa ntum anyɛ hwee obi ne dze na ɛhyɛ ase nti ntum anyɛ wɔ dze yɛpɛ dɛ yɛtwa dɛm ade no nyinaa bɔ na yɛde dɛm development strategy no to hɔ region focus na yɛhwɛ nsɛm bi osi Enyuado offer education nwomesua nkanka na nwomesua na ɔwɔ ase ɔyɛ early childhood design yɛtɛsi Enyuado on the basic level yɛfa na pomesen ɔnso ɔyɛ da ɔdan yɛn akoma do kɛse nara de yɛbɛtu do sa na ɔyɛ wansi na the environment and sanitation related issues ɛkɔ yɛ mpame a obiara mpɔre mpɛ dɛ ɔbɛtena wɔbɔ no dɔkɔm do waste wɔ hɔ ɔsan na wɔnyɛ bɔhu ɔnyɛ wahonka yɛfa yɛ apantempɔn do a ɔnso fi ne so ɔyɛ adɔkoro yɛn nti sanitation issues yɛ biribi a ɔdan yɛn akoma do kɛse nara na afei nso tourism Ghana hayaka dɛ the central region is the heart of tourism in the country na yɛbɛhwɛ dɛ yɛkɔ Cape Coast Castle yɛkɔ Kapum na yɛkɔ Elmina na kyerɛ dɛ wɔasa nti yɛbɛharness tourism potential in the region na nim dɛ tourism yɛ biribi a ɔbɛma Ghana man sika papaapa nkanka na nkɔ central region san dɛ sɛ yɛka dɛ the hub of tourism a yɛyi central region fim a ɔyɛyɛ nti yɛbɛtutu adwene sonko ɔyɛ me dɛdɛ nana ne kaseɛ mu no ɔka sadecom wɔyɛ kɔfa baa nti sadecom yɛnyɛ wɔn bɛka bom na dam strategy plan a yɛbɛyɛ no so yɛtu hana
nti mfimfini manto musuafo maame Justina Marigold Asan ɔgbɔdɔ nanom wɔn abaado na ɔde tum no ahyɛ wɔn nsa mmom ɔde ntotɔ sɛ kɛse na ɔde ama nanom oluwie na ɔrekyerɛ me dɛ iyi behia da mankwam kuru biara dɛ Regional Coordinating Council so be hu n'adwuma na ewie pɛ ya ɔde hi na yɛ bɔ ho na fifi manto so aka manto bi a yɛ kan srɛhwɛ a yɛngye no bom ɔman Ghana nsrɛhwɛ adwuma ni na gye fifi manto do nti sɛ manto no anhwɛ kono bɔfɔ do na wahyehyɛ ndɛm yɛ a ebusua bɔhwɛ na afi na akwabi so na sika wo fa ne sika manto no enye bi onsan dɛ yɛmfo botɛ ensi na Enyuado na yɛ ndɛm biara nti obi yɛ da me na dɛ yanka yɛ ndɛm biara na mmom yɛte bibi bi si no yɛ dɛ dama na yɛ pere yɛ aha na yɛ pere kɔ ama fi no kwabi ni ebu nkɔmpɔ na yɛ bom kɔntɛ a ne yɛ bom kɔntɛ dɛ yinyim bibi a yɛrekɔ ma no Marigold Asan ne nsɛm bi
ehwɛ central region a wɔka dɛ yɛyɛ among the poorest a ɔyɛ yɛwɔ ama na mede ɔde yɛtwe mu fi mu ɔsan dɛ sɛ refa the human resource capital a yɛwɔ wɔ central region a ɔyɛ bi twɛku ekuku dam ankasa wɔ region mu a nyimedzi fam wɔborodo na yɛnyim dɛ sɛ yɛboa no na yɛka ne nyinaa bɔ mu a central region dam tag na wɔde ato yɛ do no yɛbɔtwam na bio ɔyɛ youth development mbɛbu no ɔhwehwɛ dɛ wɔyɛ nipa papa wayɛ nti sɛ dam businesses nyinaa kɔdɔ a banyim dɛ mbɛbu no bɛnya adwuma yɛ ma nsɛm bebrebe a osisi wɔ ɔman mu yi abrase na mmom kankan a yɛde girl child development na yɛbɛyɛ ne yie osan dɛ wɔfa kɔmbra yi nansa yɛ wɔka dɛ teenage pregnancy central region yɛdem I think we are the third or the fourth in the region ɔyɛ ayɔrɔbɔ papa nti yɛbɛhyɛ ase yɛ develop yɛ youth nkankana mbesiamba ama sɛ yɛhwɛ besia bi wɔ gyina baa no wɔ ezikuma ama central region a yɛbɛfa no kwa nana bio ɔyɛ local economic development ɛkɔ pɔtɛmpɔtɛ biara a central region yɛ 22 MMDAs na MMDA biara so yɛ sonko in its own right ebi no sika papa ebi nso nhye da yesika na menyim da si ye dumezini ezini ye na ye develop the local economy na okobua ma central region so etuma fa no tampefra na president zaya ye de ye committee bi resibo ni adwen tweno kwana papa adam thematic areas amabobodo nyinara yetumi ezetuma tinana so bi wa ye behre ne ye nya na nanom bi a obotum aboa madam adwenpo na ye derebo baze no etum abado no ye behre mo abesem on those committees no na etum ayeye odikana ye kan ya aboa no.
Enti fifiman tobusiafo mami Marigold Hassan dene kasa ribeyin na ocheche ni na numu no na obrepon a oda monano meche oye odefo amoako oye bueba otodo awotwe na nei wejina na nanu ina wonane na waba no hobede obohwe na jina do sonkwa fifimanto ana abanu peifu wo pede na nanu kagina na wodi mpuntu na kan ko de fifimanto no obegina na wahwe na mpuntu na la aye fifimanto mate odefo amakobuedo a otodo awotwe.
In Cape Coast, Nananum, including Ahimafo from various traditional areas, took active part in the celebration and especially graced the occasion with elegance and splendor during the climax at Cape Coast Stadium. Please express our appreciation to members of your traditional councils for the roles they played during Independence Day. We also thank members of national and regional planning committees for the recognition they give to Nananum, which enabled us to participate honorably. We would like to express our gratitude to our Honorable Regional Minister, Mrs. Jessina Marigold Hassan, for the support, respect, and courtesies accorded to chiefs. We also participated in the Central Trade, Tourism and Investment Fair, that Central Expo 2022, in July this year. During the fair, we also had 2 days business forum at Ridge Royal Hotel, during which Nananum participated fully, and also Kamasi. In August this year, we were also invited by Obokese Foundation to the All-African Diaspora Education Summit at the University of Cape Coast. The summit was crowned by the Chieftaincy Awards, and I'm pleased to inform you that our Honorable Brimpride Jensen, the 6th, that Sibre will receive the 7th, Osiadere Kusikini the 4th, and therefore Afampa the 3rd, Osabema Kusata the 2nd, and myself received various awards. Congratulations to us all. Judicial and arbitration cases. Nananum, during the year, the House had 74 sittings and disposed of 10 cases. Currently, there were 39 chieftaincy cases pending before the Judicial Committee of the House. Among them are 19 petitions and 20 appeals. Nananum, I would like to take this opportunity to thank you all for the effort in settling cases that are brought before the House. Nananum, we have also prioritized arbitration to help resolve disputes within the region. During the year, we had 13 arbitration cases. 7 of them have been resolved, whilst 5 remain pending. Project Asumbre. Nananum, we have resolved as a House to do our best to ensure that paramount schools which remain vacant in the region are filled. Special teams were formed under Project Asumbre to intervene in special cases with a view to ensuring peace within affected traditional areas. I'm pleased to inform you that we have results from some of the traditional areas, and we should see some schools being filled within the first quarter of next year. We urge interested parties and claimants of schools to use due process and lay down procedures enshrined in the 1992 Constitution and the Chieftaincy Act at 759 to resolve differences in matters affecting chieftaincy. Dr. Tudor Kambia, welcome. With training, the House sponsored 2 members of staff to participate in a program at Otumfuo Center for Traditional Leadership, University of Professional Studies, Accra. Some members of staff also had the opportunity to attend other seminars and training during the period. The management of the House has been given a boost with the appointment of the principal accountant named Fauzia Mohammed to head the finance department of the House. We are trusting that her presence will help improve our delivery. Fauzia, you are welcome. Recent activities. The recent committee received a total of 191 CD forms. They comprise 86 vacations and 86 instruments, and also 19 new creations. 8 CD forms comprising 4 vacations and 4 instruments were set aside. A total of 183 were approved by the research committee, and same were approved by the standing committee. Nananom, after 2 years of no festivals, I am pleased to inform you that this year, Nananom were able to celebrate festivals. We congratulate Nananom who celebrated their festivals for promoting and preserving our culture and tradition bequeathed to us by our ancestors. We are trusting that come next year, more traditional areas will be celebrating their festivals. House renovation. I am pleased to inform you that with support from GNPC, the renovation of the house is completed. We now have offices and furniture that's providing a conducive environment for work. We have also constructed a mechanized borehole to ensure constant supply of water to the house. And I'm pleased to inform you that we no longer pay water bill, and this will help the house save some money for other activities. With the renovation completed, we are looking forward to securing our land by planting trees along our boundary next year when the rains set in. Now, with our vehicles, we have managed to retrieve the pickup that got involved in the accident from Oti region. Also, our Honda van is under repairs and should be ready before the end of the year. Our Land Cruiser currently needs an engine replacement, so it still remains at the workshop, and we shall be seeking support from benevolent institutions, organizations, or individuals to help us get the replacement. Now, with road safety, we normally see an increase in road accidents around this year, or around this time of the year, and we appeal to the Road Safety Commission, the Driver Vehicle and Licensing Authority, the Motor Traffic and Transport Department, and all relevant agencies to take appropriate measures to minimize carnage on our roads. We wish to caution drivers to be more cautious during this period. We also urge Nananom to include road safety in all messages during the festive season. I will conclude by commending our registrar and staff of Central Regionals of Chiefs and Traditional Councils for their diligence and commitment. I thank you once again for coming and urge you all to freely contribute as we help shape the chieftaincy institution in the Central Region and Ghana. We wish you all a Merry Christmas and a more prosperous New Year. Mahia Afisha.
Eti odefo amwaku gwedwa otodo awotwe ono oye omahin wo oyedwuma konara so na metsa omahin wo sikuma nara so na oye fifi banto ina na nanu ahimfo monatene opeyina odano mecha president na yebokwa nsam foforo mu no ka tebi fi oye omampeyina wato aba mecha his excellency John Dramani Mahama na so ya Ewuraba Joyce Bawa nansa shase na da Ewuraba kan de when we did be in social media there we are pointing sa wa point on nyo ka te chire me de osrama ewusuafo mo ni nangu onye nokwa aswaye na nya appointment biara impempe nti tini bia no no social media there yi fa yi tedam oya minister dam oya dam no Joyce Bawa nsa shakate ya se oda abada onya no kwa nti ebusuafo yambo da mensani nanu yambo ntungu na Ghana de wa sha se dama no beye se nya hweye wo oye social media nsam a bohye na ye dinsem bia onfa fransem no da ka fa fransem no so akaye asembi na nisuba nti ma me Joyce Bawa no dram kate ode pegu o mampe na wataba wode aman wona soye we cantonment na wode dram kate wode fi aba ebusia ye na ntinu endini ye na ye nhwe de kate de yebu hu wo social media de appointi no ebusiafo onya no kwar nti ye hwe apart from oya transition tima ono wa pam hu abogofo wa pam no wo ne de apart from that thing the baby na yiwa ochede wa ya appointment biara nti shane so imu kate de social media wose onya no kwar ebusiafo ye chen sema yensa akando nyenyem pefe na aya otase de batan ba wona ba no na ohwa bofore mi de wa ka che na awo mo hwewa ebe date awo mepere awo lawyer no mepere ye awo mepere nesi awo so mepere ebo ho modin pa na ikigina classroom na echirazi nti bo hwe na batan mo susuma abofra no ambamedam ana ambamedam ama abofra no ana abofra ankodam afama eyinti waye bogum adwenkyere hihye bi dama adusuafo ahorowa wo sukuru nkwa wo fifimantom wo sukuru akasakase bi tire holy child mfantepem adisada college ena onye oye school nkakrama okaka ho bi tire jubilee school St Monica's na namu kakram nya waye dama bogum adwenkyere no wote amadam adusuafo ahwede Zanyami de bo ho wona nkasa wona mu enye enti wawfo bepede be yedam na wankasa so a elusia de na nyimdi a yansa na adwene yakopon da mo no mete bodu no o wankasa musem enti erebe ye panyin ana elusia de akoyi mina no erebe ye panyin enti debi daachi na daachi bi kete wunsem na aye panyin so abien pa na de wo daachi no awo edire ye da o papa kenara na esua de biginam anada wa fo kenara na esua de biginam ana wan kasa so da ni mete bo won kasa na esua de na eti biginam ana eyinti baba pen Bridget baba nzima mensa ono oya councilor wo UCC woke adiche na we no Coastal Television eno ye sompa ye yin ba ma Isaac Anan ye ma mi bokomo ye hwe komo twetwe.
Okay, in your first time I work as a resource person. I'm my first time my program. I mean, although previously not yet. Yes.
Yeah, going forward and plan on future with this program, any similar ones. And for so dear being a woman or mine. Students and shaping in the future.
Okay, so leaders, management, we talked about leadership roles, leadership functions. And the GS and Anka Sample Eddie into TBB, they are talking empower prefects on how to be a good leader. We know Ekoboa, Sir Ejumana Ekoso, our Ghana Education Service, and Yamiaduma, a part of it. Intimate me a casse. I did win Ekoso, has a Eko Bibri, another as Oracle handle or PD, Ejumana Ghana Education Service, and we are putting in place on the Ankran Crona, Dofu, Monso, Pedem from Woko, Name, Wadushi, Neaka, or a voluntary service, and the Yabaranda Dr. John Kisi, on the Oda woman. Lancashire, I think he's an old student of Infantipim School. I suspected also, selected them school for the venue. And the team now will come home, the whole idea is that you empower young people. How to where you walk a day, what I see, what are the temperaments? One temperament, one interest. Nazi, Nabazi, Abakan over further over to me to be able to do. No matter what you would do now. Bridget Baba Nzimamensa, Mrs. University of Cape Coast.
Ete owura Bridget Baba Nzimamensa ono na ode nchecheri na no ode abed ebusia no de mbegina na madam ho maba na maba mate agutim nsama okrodo dependa memene no kuside nyina no mate botu na semi abedugo a wo chadwen zema omampe na watu abama yankomra na yaba za akebia no da tio mo yifi the Coastal Television o de guitar 514 the mouse you live or YouTube nti ekwa da ewo bia no enyo beche fefefe madam waba na yaba ye za akebia no da tio no. Coastal Television do nsama yɛmɛ msewa yɛn saka na yɛretie di na yɛkɔ agudum nsema nyanyimpefe de dado me nda kosida abasoro kɔ no na wɔde ɔyɛ Ghana Premier League wɔte hyɛlo na da no mu yɛ show pa ma nkɔfo tumirika na ogbudua do kɔhwɛ pa ɔne Kumasi Asante Kotoko no Accra Hearts of Oak na eje sema ope Kumasi nye de Kumasi Asante Kotoko da minute kra na ka opre koten wode she oye Accra Hearts of Oak ma wada ayo wode fi oye Kumasi bope mu anka mo yisu na humikasi apo press on the one da osan na ya yo pa wa 90 minutes ni ewie injury time kra na ja pwe koten Kumasi Asante Kotoko wode tuma obaya ayo Zema Accra Hearts of Oak na yije so obo Kumasi osan de yetu aba ewie yu na Asante de aye ayo osan de NPP amayeku a wo Asante Mentoma na kasinara obeye mehyibo gofo wenya omampai nti ayo nti Kumasi Asante Kotoko no abo mate ma de pene kwa ewie no ode yije sunko oda abo Kumasi be sesiale ko Kumasi anepei na Kumasi aye sanse osande abato no da ayo bai na mum ball de Asante Kotoko ode yeje wode epe na Accra abakansa oni oye wona wo kyerew nsam wo mejensan trofa wo chodoko oye agudum nsam a ye from oye Sport Writers Association oni pay na order no Charles Osesibe enye ode ne totesre bi amaga no mampen a wato aba manede obesega no mampen sesi so be ya enche ina agudum no ga no mampen onfa agudu no onfa nhye teacher no Ghana Football Association nti se ono owura Charles Osesibe osese ncho be ya nche Ghana man pere ya to abaman